It's early morn and we have to pick it up what we sold on Goat and some on eBay. These are from Goat. Sold this Air Force One and also this Jordan 1 Low. So starting off with these two pairs, I sold this one on eBay. Actually, I really want this shoe. I really like the colorway though. Sold the 10.5 and 8.5. We have here the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Signal Blue. The retail is $125. Let's pop that open. Boom. Alright. Now, I was kind of aiming for a higher return, but I found out I had to be more flexible, especially on mid, especially on lows. Some are had a resale value, some are good hold, some are had to just let it go. So that's why I'm learning few things. Cost of this one is somewhere around 132, 133, and then I'm gonna pay for the shipping. So I sold them for 160. That is around 15% return of investment. Air Force One LX Black Metallic Gold 120. So before the release on this one, it haven't released yet. I think on Nike.com, but it's already released on Foot Locker. But before they did a release, I already sold some of it, unreleased shoe, and I sold like double my money. But then when they released, the price dipped, so now I had to let it go some of the items that I had, especially the smaller ones, smaller size. So this is the Air Force One Low King and Queen Spade. Quality on this one is really nice, especially the engraved Queen here. The other one has the King, this part of the toe box, and also on the back. So it is a quality shoe, but the price is kind of dipping down, so I had to let it go, and I don't want to stuck with that price. All right, next one, we got the Air Jordan 1 Low Grade School University Blue. Okay, we have a grade school down here. Boom. Tail on this one is 75. So this one was a good hold for a couple of months, and the profit is more than 60 to 70% return of investment. So that's why now I'm learning that more grade school are more profitable than men's sizes. But it depends always on the colorway. But hey, I'm still learning. You can quote me or leave a comment down below which one is better, but that's what my experience right now. Have to be flexible, learn something new. What do you think?
Ooh, here we go. We got 3 boxes to be unboxed for today. We got your typical Jordans, men's and women's down here, and some Forces. I got this unfinished line. Usually I don't pick up grade Air Force Ones because they are not really heavily discounted, or mostly you can't buy them on discounted price. So most of the Air Force Ones stay still on retail. But I got them unfinished line. It's because when they had a extra discount when they did a 15%, I guess, or 10%. So there you go. And especially I pick up 6.5, which I could easily convert it into women's 7.5 or 8. So next one, we got this one. Is kinda disappointed shoe. There we go. As you can see, it should have been mostly leather, much better, but the grain colorway or the volt ish is much better leather though. The quality of the leather of the greenish is good, but this part and this part is a mesh is, so not really a fan of this one. The resale value when I saw it on online when before the release, I mean the actual release day, was really good, about 20% return of ROI. That's why I went for it. But now the resale value not in there. So to be honest, what I'm gonna do this one, still going to return it. So that's the good thing on Nike.com. You have a 60-day return. Alright, so next one, you got the typical box down here. We got the Jordan 1 low OG, another lows, and colorway is the white particle gray. Boom. Man, is it look-alike of the Jordan 3 Amamanier colorway because of the cool grayish on the swoosh and the bottom, and also kind of grayish on the Nike Air tags, and also somewhere on the back of the wings down here. So there you go. The quality is not bad though. It's mostly the white-ish and the gray. It's just simple for good for summer. All right, so there we go. Our unboxing for today. We got the exemption to the rule of a discounted Air Force One. Learn something new. If you don't really like it, or if you can't get your money back for resale, you still have a 60-day to return it. And neutral gray, not bad for this one for a resale. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Ingat po kayo.